Hey everyone, it's Josh. Heck, I'm Jay, however you want to address me. I'm with Metroline Alarms. We're out of Charlotte, North Carolina, Gastonia area. Today we are going to be replacing a smoke detector head in a duct detector. It's part number SD365, the smoke detector is. We're running a ES50X Firelight Honeywell fire alarm panel, all addressable. I think we've got about maybe 10 pull stations, 7 or 8 smoke detectors. We got 3 duct detectors that are on 3 separate units. So yeah, today we're going to be replacing the head in one of them. We've done our test with the fire marshal, and one of them would not trip. So, process of elimination. We got a new head for it. So, we're running the 6 channel, I guess you would say, power extender for our NAC circuits, our horn strobes. And we're running them straight off of the NAC2 off the main panel. Sometimes I use the remote sync part, which will sync the lights and the strobes up. The lights and the horns. When you do it this way, you actually have a couple dip switches up here that you have to move in order to tell it what kind of horn strobes you're using, which we're using system sensor. So we make all the necessary adjustments on that, turn the dip switches on that need to be on, and it syncs it, synchronizes the horns and the lights to flash and sound at the same time. Anyway, very awesome system. It's got an SLC loop, so pretty much just, everything in this building that's a indicating circuit is ran on the SLC. Give it an address and pretty much auto program it and tell it what you need it to do. Pretty simple. So we installed this, a couple weeks ago. Like I said, had the fire marshal come out to do our test. Everything passed except for one duct detector that would not trip when I smoked it out, and I put some smoke in it. Trust me. The whole building was pretty much full, but don't really like doing that, but this particular fire marshal wanted that done. So today we'll show you how to swap out the head on a smoke detector, duct detector, and we'll do a little bit of troubleshooting, show you kind of how it works. So yeah, here we go. So I've already got this set up out here. First thing we're gonna do is, this is our head for our detector. It is a, I don't know if you can see that. It's a Honeywell Firelight SD365R addressable smoke detector. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and kill the power on the whole fire alarm panel and unhook the batteries. If I can figure out what I've done with the keys to get in that room. Anyway, our duct detector in question that we're going to be replacing is up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It does have its signal lights coming on right now. So let's grab the keys and power this bad boy down. You really don't have to. I've got it on test already through our monitoring. It's set for supervisory, so it won't make the horn strobes go off even if it is tripped. But might as well just kill it. This particular location, site, does not have its own breaker for the fire alarm. It actually has a disconnect, which actually runs the exit lights too. So, you know, usually you got a breaker lock on your fire alarm breaker. This, we didn't have the option to do that, so this is how we do it. So let's go and hook the batteries. And we'll swap this detector out real quick. So all you want to do is just pull one leg of your power loose on both of them. Make sure all your LEDs go out, and that'll juice it down. Let's start out. Alright, gonna get our drill here. And let's put some time to get here. The bit for my drill is probably outside, so we're just going to use a screwdriver. We'll do it the manual way. Okay.